Begin in Warrior One, which is a lunge with your right foot forward, knee bent 90 degrees with knee over the foot and rear leg extended. Bring your hands to your hips. Lean forward to bring your weight into your right forward foot, keeping your left rear knee bent as you float your left foot up and away from the floor, about a foot. Straighten your right leg and continue to bring your torso towards a parallel position, using your torso going forward to counterbalance the left leg. Fully extend the left leg, keep a nice flexed foot, and then extend your arms out in front of you parallel to the floor. Bring your arms right back to your sides when ready and bend your right leg to step back to Warrior One. Repeat on the other side.